Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Alan, and I'm back. And today's subject is hidden messages in my video. Now, I think I got 489 videos, and each of them has a hidden messages or several hidden messages. Now, Hubble's cat and a few other people's got it, but they say it's too archaic, and a lot of people don't understand. Now, why is my left eye closed? Is Uncle Alan had a bad fall, and it's folded up, and I can't see out of it. It's all blurry. Again, all blurry and distorted. I think the blood clot shifted again. Oh well. Anyway,
Hi, I'm Dino. Hi, Interior Pepper.
okay. Now, we have to do this fast because I know a lot of you guys have bad attention span. Okay? Now, I wrote it down on a piece of cardboard so you can see it. Your future, my past, line number one. Number two, Nazis are everywhere. Now, a lot of people think, oh, Uncle Alan, we defeated Nazis 75 years ago. That's what you think. We have 20 groups of new Nazis, or not neo Nazis, but super Nazis. Now, these are not neo Nazis, these are not white supremacists, these are real Nazis. And two, they're not white. Some of them are black, some of them are Chicano, some of them are South American, some of them are Russian, some of them are Cubans. No color in the rainbow. Why? It's a big conspiracy. And it's one of the things I found out over my years. Now, who's got the largest number of Nazis in their party? The Democrats. You could tell Nazis they're always pushing gun control for public safety. Now, if you read Adolf Hitler, you read Mein Kampf, and you read the Hitler paper and the Nazis papers, you'll find out that's one of their ways to control the public. Okay? You only got 8 months and 1 week left. I have to pound this every time for a lot of you kids because you don't get it. You should have 1 year supply of food and water. I think that's water. I can't tell. And you want to pack it for about 4 people. If you're a single person, you don't pack for one person. This is for 4 people in case things get screwed up. All right? 1 year supply of food and water, enough for 4 people. And second to the bottom is 9mm, not stop everything. Okay, a lot of people are packing 9mm. 9mm is the same as a 38. Only difference is 9mm isn't a rim cartridge, and you can shoot a lot faster with a 9mm. One person betted me I can't make a 38 machine gun. They're wrong. Uncle Alan did it, and they freaked them out. Now, okay, 9mm is not the Wonder Gun. It is a belt gun, a personal self-defense weapon against other people. It does lousy on big game. It does lousy on animals. It's not considered a horse pistol. Horse pistol or 40 or 10mm and up. Horse pistol came the old term of big bore, slow moving, heavy hitting projectiles. Okay, 9mm came around because a lot of Europeans couldn't handle the bigger calibers. Okay, in America, we had a problem. We had 36 caliber and we had 44. Reason why? 36 caliber black powder was easier to shoot, but it had a wimpy power range. You could shoot fast, you could shoot accurate, but it didn't stop the guy. A 44 will. Okay, and the very bottom of the hidden messages, Batman in the Boondocks. That's all you tactical guys running around. Now, if you want to learn about tactical stuff, you go over to Steve's channel on um, Corsair Trainers. Really good channel. Steve's an ex-Marine, ex-cop, ex-security. You name it. He did it. He knows what he's talking about. Uncle Alan does security operations. I later transfer over to transport. Why? Because Uncle Alan got tired and Uncle Alan want to get some better pay. Now, if you're in the military and you're smart, you be a truck driver, learn how to drive a diesel truck, and learn how to drive a forklift. I tell people that, people don't listen. You don't see a forklift driver running every morning. You don't see them in combat. They're in MAC command or TAC command or something. They're behind lines and they're having a beer and relaxing watching TV. You're out there getting shot. Okay? That hurt when I opened my eye. Okay, kids. Other hidden messages. Okay? You want about 250 cans, pounds of food. That's canned food. 750 dry food. That comes out 1,000 pounds, and you add another 95 pounds for whatever you like to eat as a snack. All right, I punched down the numbers and I figured out 1 year supply of water is 365 gallons. Okay, and pick only one gun, man battle gun, and 5,000 rounds of ammo. 22s don't count, shotguns don't count. Has to be a rifle, kids. Pistols, forget it. Okay? Only closest thing I could count as a pistol, M1 carbine or 300 blackout. Okay. I gotta keep this short because Uncle Alan's tired and medication I took doesn't last that long. First, we'll wrestle in just in time prepping. Now he does a live stream on Monday nights and we gather around, we talk for an hour or two or an hour and 30 minutes about whatever subject. Next week it's going to be hurricane. It's going to be 7:30 Mountain Time. Okay. He has one coming up tomorrow at 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Please, everybody, show up and be there. Support Will. It's a really good chat for 3.5 hours. And then Saturday, it's 9 p.m. Mountain Time in the evening, and he has a drawing for free stuff. Okay. Remember that, folks. Uncle Alan can't see too well. Uncle Alan has to drive to the grocery store, which is going to be fun. Hard to see with one eye, and the other eye has cataracts. So hopefully I don't run over somebody. Oh, God. Tired. Another thing is, I like this. Gorilla glue, Gorilla tape. A little bit better than the old duct tape. Everybody else is making duct tape. Not too good. I like the harder stuff and lasts longer. Okay. Now, still looking for a single black female prepper. Have no luck with it. I have these three. Dawn's tomorrow, which is pretty good. Afro survivalist, which is really good. She's up in Washington. And Sister Prepper, also really good. Now, please check out her videos. She only has two. If you want to do something, if you live in the LA area, Sister Prepper, come over the grapevines and go out in the boonies and go find Uncle Al. You gotta hurry because Uncle Al's going to have surgery and he's not going to be in the best of shape for next 3 or 4 weeks. So I gotta get a lot of videos done in a short period of time, kids. Trust me, you don't want to see Uncle Al go, or blah, 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 blah. All right. Now, the other thing is, you want to get this book, Tyler Prep for It, Every New Beginner. This by Lodi London. I can't break it out. London, yeah. Okay. That goes for Belgian Prepper. You kids are playing Batman in the Boondocks. Uncle Alan's tired and Uncle Alan's sick as hell. Now, Uncle Alan's mean and strong as hell too. I did 2 juvenile Sunday school classes on Easter Sunday, and 1 adult Sunday school class. And we were talking about resurrection and crucifixion. Okay? Crucifixion of Christ wasn't the Jews, it wasn't the Romans. It was a political decision by 3 big parties: the Jewish religious order, the Roman governor, and a third party, which I won't mention, power brokers of the area of Jerusalem or Israel. I can't remember. Okay? Now you gotta remember, um, Israel was a controlled state by the Romans, independent, had its own army, wasn't a slave, it was more like a semi-ally. Now, the Romans didn't like Christ for 2 reasons. He was threatening Rome's authority, and also the Jewish religious leaders threatened their authority. Now, originally, Rome wanted to take Jesus Christ to Rome, and that would have changed history. But the religious leaders and the controlling powers of the region wanted him dead. All right. Now, usually people get stoned by the Jewish hierarchy for I forget. This is what happens when you get old and you have a brain fart and you go too long. Okay. Usually stone people for heresy, but the Romans want to be proper, and it's all in the records that a radical named Jesus Christ was crucified. Smoke that in your pipe. Okay, and let me do shout outs. This is going to be about 13 minutes long, kids, so I'm sorry. I got to run it through. Be sure to check out West Wind Survival as he tramps around in the foothills of Southern California. There are a few real mountains. There's, I think, only 5. So be careful. A lot of box canyons and a lot of areas that you don't want to drink the water or don't want to meet the people from the Hills of Ice. Mostly it's people from LA and San Diego who have no bloody idea what's going on out there. And you're going in the spring, so watch out for ticks and rattlesnakes. You gotta watch out for these kids. I mean, I swear. Okay. I think I'm going to go over again. Sorry about this, kids. Water. 12 gallons, 3 days, 4 people. Remember that. Gotta cover a lot of information. We are going to a Greater Depression, which I mentioned in my past videos that nobody ever watches. So you want to have this much if you're in a red state, $2,000 in cash and in a savings account, not a money market, a savings account. Passbook's fine. You want $10,000 in there. You cannot touch it. You just leave it alone. You could add money to it every month, but nothing else. You don't withdraw it. You don't play with it. All you do is you add money to it. Okay? Okay. Back to food again. You start off with 7 days food supply after your 3-day. Then your 14-day. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. That's how you build up slowly. I got a lot of notes and I got a lot of things to cover. Yeah, boy. Okay, remember, if we do have the in 8 months, 1 week, the stuff that hits everybody, we're going to have a whole bunch of a perfect storm. Okay, and I got too much stuff to cover, so I'm going to cover this in another video. Uncle Alan's old, Uncle Alan's tired, and Uncle Alan's got so much stuff and notes, it's not even funny, kids. And we had the Nazi problem too, which I mentioned earlier in the video. Real quick for shout outs, Prep for It, Bethany Myers, Liberty Garden, Harshman Hills, Cindy Johns, Corsair Trainers, Walter Davis, LS, Daisy, oh, she's still alive. You live in Chicago, I think. Diane SFG, Jeff Nolte, Kentucky Survival, Michael Sines, Try and Survive, Grayman Outdoors, Tibor 101, Matt's A Prepping and Survival, Old School with a Modern Twist. I've been trying to catch up for the last couple of weeks watching you guys' videos. It's really hard. X-Ray Zulu, Prepper Dell, Mad Dog Survival. They're over the pond. Go check out their videos. Weapons Collector and JJR Survival. Now, Malcolm has several books. Malcolm Bowler has several books on Amazon. Please check it out and pick up one. Really good. Okay. I mentioned Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell every Wednesday and Saturday. Sister Prepper, James Hutto, Belgian Prepper, Anna Lee Brown, Savage Survival. No, you have to check out his stuff. Really good videos and support him. DIY Solar. I have a little beef with you. Okay, I want to try this end with DIY Solar and Small Town Southern High School. If you have 55-gallon drum metal, do not use that for water collection. Okay, that means it was used for, if I remember the color code, for industrial chemicals. Do not use that for water collection. You could use it as a burner barrel. You want the food grade blue barrels for water collection, or the green ones. Do not use metal barrels. Okay, kid, I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle. If you get a chance, check out, let's see, Inspired John and his terrorist viewpoints or something. Later, folks. Oh, wait.
Hi,
Um,
I had a brain fart. An old dinosaur. Ontario Prepper. Catch you later, kids.